Hey everybody, I'm in my back room right now. I'm just chilling. I'm here with my dog, Jack. So it's currently pretty stormy outside. We can't see it, but you can see it. Right there, there's stormy clouds. And over this side it is even better. I'll show you. So, it may not look stormy on the camera, but it's really stormy. So, the clouds over there, and oh, look how dark it is right over there. So, as I said, I'm just chilling. Sorry about the barking in the background, it's my dogs. Sorry about the noise in the background. My dogs are barking. I've got 3 other dogs, but I'm not telling you where I live, so so yeah, I'm just chilling basically. I might even be out here until the storm's here or something. I don't freaking know. But oh, the clouds are moving really fast. Oh, this is amazing. I'm gonna be entertained for a really long time. The wind is picking up, so I can tell that there's a storm coming. Cause dark clouds, we have storm clouds surrounding us like everywhere. You can't really see it though. So here, my head. You can't really see it over there, but there's a big storm cloud back there. Oh, wait. Focus, sorry. Focus over there. But it's quite stormy back there too. Jet doesn't mind storms, but I'm concerned about the puppies. Because I'm guessing they will freak out. Because usually when there's clouds this dark, it's over there, it freaking looks like it's 7:30 in the evening. So I'm guessing there's going to be a really bad storm today. But they're saying it's not going to be bad, but I think they're wrong. But I've got a feeling there's going to be a really bad storm today. So I will check back with you very soon. Be right back. Well, not be right back. I'll check back with you guys once the storm is either here or the storm has passed. So